So I've just connected one of the PTZs up, the N2D400M-DE-14. As you can see, this is the channel it's connected to over here, which is channel 3. So let's plug and play. As you can see, we've got the green light, that's working fine. It's on IP10, ending IP address in 10. But that's just one of the lenses. If you go to the live view, that's the camera over there. Okay, so there's just one lens. Now what we want to do is obviously get the second lens working. So we go into configuration, into the camera list. So here's my list of cameras. This is the camera in question. We've put on channel 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit channel 4. I'm going to change that to 10. And I'm then going to choose the second channel. So here we go. So we're going to edit channel 4. Okay, so I'm going to stop it from being plug and play. I'm going to turn it into manual. I then get access to the IP address, which I'm going to change to match number 3, which was 10. Okay, so 192.168.254.10. And then down here, I'm going to change the channel port to number 2. So you're basically saying, go to that IP address, but take stream 2. And then I'm just going to press OK. Just going to use the activation password there. Okay. Alright, so there we go. So we've done that now. This should start detecting, and it's already done it. So channel 4 is already switched on. So if we go to live view, we've got that channel there now, and we've got this one over here. So there's your PTZ, and there is your fixed lens, all from the same camera. So if we go there, you'll now see both cameras, both lenses changing. So again, just to confirm, it's into the menu, into configuration, into your camera management, where you've got your list of cameras, and basically number 3 was the plug and play channel, and I copied that IP address over to number 4. I did that by pressing edit and manually putting it in, and then changing the channel port to number 2. Okay.